So today we're gonna be working on the rear flares. Blaine is already out here working. So let's go ahead and see what he's doing.
I was painting that. Then somebody's like, hey, excuse me. I thought it was like to get busted for painting or something. We Gucci.
What you doing?
I'm mix up some clear.
So Blaine's painting the back fenders so it can match this super awesome paint job that I did on the front fenders, huh? That's how come? Know it.
Very precise measurement. You do pearl because you want it to be the same all the time. Mine is one like this, like that.
Just one of those.
Just one of those.
Just a little.
Yep. A little.
Nico. Look at this boy's car. No, they're not. We're like, why is one side so much higher than the other? One tall jack and one.
Alright, hold on. I'm scared that my hood's gonna fly up on the freeway, bro.
What is that, Billy?
What?
What is that?
That's the shower curtain rod. I don't know. That guy was looking for this long time, dude. I let the shower with the door locked.
We're both gonna paint our windshield wipers black because they're a little bit bust right now.
Don't take mine.
So Bradley's gonna paint our windshield wipers just to make it look a little bit better. Yeah, no, yeah, his car's a little bit more bust than mine. This is his.
No, I mean, Christine likes the chrome. Hey, wait. Oh, bad. Oh, no. No, you missed the two. Oh. Over there? Over there? Where? Over there? No. Over there? Oh, you don't want the letters, that's why? Which one is mine?
This one is yours.
Yeah, okay. This one is mine.
No, because it's a little bent.
No, yours was bent.
Hey, it's Timmy on the track.
Today we're going to be going to Oregon, but I need to go to the post office and drop off a couple of orders first. But I think I'm going to take the 240.
Can you make it? He said it sounds nuts now when he's scratching my feet. on, let me reverse. Go. What? You like race, bro? Yeah, you have a. Came off. What the heck? Oh shit! Oh! Let's go get it. Let's put it back on. Oh, I hope it's still good. It looks like it's still good.
It's good.
Cherry. Glasses are good still.
Oh,
Yeah, he told me to floor it, so you freaking got it.
Let's move it on the side and let's drift this thing.
That's probably what made it feel more heavy.
Look at what happened. His camper flew off when we were trying to do donuts inside this field. Look at this now. Let's do it up. Let me fucking take a picture. It fell off. And it landed flat. That's so good. I better stop while we're ahead, yeah? Because we gotta drive home. Let's. You know, I'm gonna need help putting this camper back on.
Truck looks like it's like.
I better stop while we're ahead.
Yeah, we don't want to break nothing. And then we were like, oh, how are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna need help putting this camper back on.
Alright, this is for that start.
Wait, what?
So much for quitting while we're ahead. The battery disconnect?
You gotta go by the glass side. Rest it on top. That's so fun.
That's so fun. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.